Hello, my name is Anthony Bly. I'm a soils field specialist with SDSU Extension, and my office is in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. This morning I'd like to talk to you about some problems we're having with corn in the area. In the middle here I have a good corn plant for reference to kind of compare the other two plants that I have. We're seeing some potassium deficiencies in some of our fields and some of our eroded soil areas that have lower organic matter, maybe our coarse textured soils, and that's exhibited here by this plant. And we see the leaf margins are necrotic, and so they're turning yellow and eventually brown. And what's telltale of a potassium deficiency on corn is it starts with the bottom leaves and it moves up the plant. So you see this leaf right above that one is really not showing any strong symptoms yet, but at the tip. And so as this gets worse as this plant grows, that deficiency symptom will move up the plant. And so that is a potassium deficiency. Over here on the right, you may think that this is the same problem, but this comes from a field where we have known Saphen or Saphen, however you want to say that active ingredient, was applied to the soybean crop last year, and it's carrying over because of our dry soil conditions, our drought conditions. It's just we haven't had enough biological activity to degrade that active ingredient, and so it's marked by these intermittent stripes on the leaf, and then a strong effect on the midrib. The midrib is lighter and weak and breaks apart very easily. And if I could take you back to this field, these plants are eventually dying. They're going to die out, and so that's what's happening in that field. Versus the potassium deficiency typically doesn't kill the plant, it just gets worse and worse and worse as the rest of the corn is growing in the field. You will notice that. So that's all I have today on the differences between a chemical effect and a nutrient effect.